looking out my kitchen window. Today, I'm not just looking, I'm listening because the rain is falling and it's speaking. Not the stormy kind of rain. It's the soft, gentle rain that whispers, you don't have to rush today. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but everything in me was trying to rush anyway. The to-do list is still sitting there. The responsibilities didn't disappear overnight. And those thoughts, those persistent, loud, impatient thoughts that say, you can't forget about me, trying to demand my attention. They tried to follow me to the window. But when I got here, the rain met me. It didn't fight my thoughts. It didn't argue about my responsibilities. It just touched me. Have you ever felt the rain? Not ran from it, not complained about it, but still you felt it. You walked slower to the car or to the next building you were going to, and you felt it. And then another thought is suddenly you realize you're not just standing in the rain, you're being covered by it. Here's what I learned about the rain. Scientifically, the gentle rain that we hear, maybe on a summer morning or summer's night, the gentle rain, it has a natural rhythm like pink light. It's called pink noise, and it tells your brain, slow down. Your heart rate softens, your breathing deepens, your nervous system, finally takes a break. That tension you've been holding in your shoulders, even the tightness in your chest. You see, the rain doesn't question. It just washes little by little. The rain doesn't force anything. It doesn't push. It doesn't demand. It just falls gently and consistently. And I had to ask myself, when was the last time I treated myself in a gentle manner? I'm so used to saying, get it done, figure it out, don't stop. But the rain said, be gentle. So I stood there, and I'm standing there. With every drop of rain, I let go. I let go of some regret, some disappointment, and I let the rain touch it and wash it. Because everything can be hard, but sometimes we need a gentle wash. And when I did that, I closed my eyes. I breathed in and out, and I imagined the rain, not just on my skin, but in my heart, touching the places I don't talk about, touching the places that I hide, touching the parts of me that are tired. And in that moment, I didn't feel weak. I felt human. So maybe today, you don't need another plan. You don't need another answer. You don't even need to finish everything on your to-do list. Maybe, just maybe, you let the gentleness of who you are touch you. Okay? Because the truth is, the rain doesn't come to interrupt our day. It comes to remind us that everything grows and some things grow because they're finally touched with gentleness. So today, it is raining here, and maybe it's raining where you at. It's not an interruption. It's a moment to be still and let life be.
Yes, just that. Letting life